Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this video I will show you how to create navigation menu. So if you can see this part of PowerPoint, maybe you have seen this label. How to edit this label? It is a section. It's very easy to edit them, so you can close them like this. It allows us to regroup our slide by section. How to edit section? Just, for example, I am from here, click between two slides, I make a right click and choose edit section, and here you will name the section that you want, for example the end, and I group my this three slide in the end section, etc, etc. Okay, it is the how to organize your slide, and sometimes you need this navigation here to be more pretty, because this part of PowerPoint we can see it when we start our presentation. So if you want this menu, like the menu will be visible for the users, just edit it here. How to edit it? So I will start, for example, to take this slide. Here you will take all the labels and put them where you want, but be careful, do not put a lot of. Okay, remember not a lot of text. So I will insert the text here. I put, for example, from here or from the right. Okay, put it where you want. So here I have what I have introduction. I will reduce the size before to continue. I have also presentation. I have also wrap up, and I have also what I have end. I have added, but I can remove it because it is just for example. So to remove it, remove the end, remove section completely. Good. So here is our three. Where is it? Here is our three navigation menu. Now I can organize them. For example, I put all this you in the center. No, sorry, I don't want to group them. So for example, we reduce this one because we are in introduction. So reduce this one like this, and this one also like this. Same, how many? 11. It's 11. Good. Now what can I do? I can change the color of this one, or I make it in the bold like this, and I change it to more consistent like this, to be always more consistent with our slide. And these two labels, what I will do here, I will change the color to be not a lot visible. So I mean, for example, like this color, okay, like this, not hidden, full hidden, but I don't want to see them. It likes I don't have a lot of text. So here I have create for our first slide. Now I will just copy, paste in the other slide like this. Okay, and when I start, I am in presentation here, I will make the other sense. So this one will be like this. So let's do it. Sorry. Format printer, and here, good, and this one will be like this. Oops, start like this, format printer, and put it here. Good, do you see? And you continue, of course, until you finish your slide. So I mean, copy like this, etc, etc. Here is how to create your menu in your presentation to navigate very quick, and to show for the users, here is the current section. You can also, for example, add line here. So you can to start from the first. If you want to be your presentation will be pretty, it's about your inspiration, no? So you can add it here, for example, something like this in middle, like this, and take all if you want this one. Remember, it is always same thing, or put it in the green like this, etc., etc. If you want something like this. So here is how I create my navigation menu. See you next video, inshallah. Maybe it will be, I don't think it's the last one about polishing or no. Before to start a new chapter. Practice and show me always your inspiration, how to create your navigation menu. If you have another idea. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Faisal Azib. Like this video, share to your friends. Follow me on Instagram for motivational quote, business quote, etc. in teams.winners, and about design, graphic, video editing, food, travel in Faisal.checo, in Telegram, real practice and chat. Take care of us. We tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa barakatuh.